In today's short analysis video, we will discuss on Exxon Mobil Corporation stock. My dear friends, this stock is currently on a verge of breakout because this stock is trading almost near to an important resistance level, and if that level get break on closing basis, then we could see a massive upside rally. And along with that, there are multiple positive factors which has already materialized, and that would allow us to capitalize an opportunity to buy this stock before a big upside rally gets started. We can initiate a buy position before a upside rally get triggered. My dear friends, if you'll make a closer look over here, this was a tentative top where the stock had started the correction, price-wise correction in the form of downward sloping parallel channel. And as long as the stock was trading under this downward sloping parallel channel, the stock got corrected by price wise, and there was in back-to-back lower lows. If you'll see over here, the first lower lows the first lower lows got triggered over here, the second lower lows here, and the last lower lows here. But as soon as this downward sloping parallel channel got broken out on the upper side, first time its lower lows sequence is shifting into an higher highs, and this is a point where the game started to change. Here we got a two major positive signal. The first positive signal is downward sloping parallel channel got trigger on the upper side, and as soon as this downward sloping parallel channel got trigger on the upper side, the very first thing we have noticed is the price wise correction. The stock was falling continuously, and the moment it break on the upper side, the channel got break on the upper side, this fall got an immediate rejection. And the second positive signal is its lower lows shifted to higher highs. Whenever we notice whenever we notice that lower lows is getting shifted into higher highs, we take that as a confirmation that stock has completed the correction, and now it's slowly gradually ready for an upside move. And my dear friends, if you check the diversion, you will surprised to know that even the diversion is showing the positive diversion. If you'll see, the price action is tilting on the downside, and the RSI is tilting on the upper end, and this is in level where we got a breakout, and it's going to give you the upside pump to the stock. And the last one is, so far we have identified the three major positive signal, and now the last positive signal, and that will be a chart pattern, and that will be the most important. If you'll see over here, we got a triangular chart pattern, and you have to closely monitor this. There is a higher chance that this triangular chart patterns get trigger on the upper end, and we call it has an this triangular chart pattern, we call it as an ascending triangular chart pattern, and there is a probability that it may get break from this point. And as soon as it's get break on the closing basis, we could see we could see a massive upside blow from this level. So my dear friends, now we have to wait for an confirmation. Closing above this neckline, and this level will be $118. You have to wait for $118. You have to wait for a green candle to close above this neckline with the price of $118. And then once we get a green candle closing above this yellow neckline, then this ascending triangular chart pattern get active. It will become a tradable pattern, and very soon you will see the upside move of $125 immediately. The moment it's break the neckline, there is a high probability that stock will hit the first target of $125, and the second target will be $130. So this will be a two major positive pattern, where and in between this is in resistance. So my dear friends, you have to keep this stock under your watch list. and you have to closely monitor. The moment you find this neckline get break on closing basis, you are free to get into a buy position. And so far we have identified the four major positive signal. The first one is the downward sloping parallel channel got trigger on the upper side. The second one is lower lows shifted to higher highs. And the third one is the positive diversion between the price action and the RSI. And the fourth one is ascending triangular chart pattern. So with all these positive factors got broken out from this level, so once it will break this level, this will be turned into an important resistance. The moment you find the neckline got trigger, it will act as an important support unless and until the neckline is in resistance. But once the neckline get trigger, the resistance will become an support, and your stop loss should be below this strong support. So my dear friends, this is it for today. If you really like the way I am explaining, hit the like button and immediate subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thanks. Bye bye.